Painting a mini birdhouse with Maria Loves Art. For this project, I am using blue and purple paint together, and I am not washing my brush out. I'm just adding colors until they blend just a little bit. I went ahead and added stickers and the word hello to the birdhouse. I am adding different paint colors. I did not wash my brush in between. I just kept on blending the colors. I am using the end of my brush to make little dots. I'm using this product that I really do like. It's called Diamond Glaze, and it leaves the finish to a shine. I'm sprinkling some glitter, and then I'm going to apply some diamond glaze so that way you can seal it. We have been very lucky this year to see the yellow swallowtail butterfly flying around in the backyard garden.